Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you what you could expect from Icelandair's business class amenity kit. Now the interesting thing here is that it's not a branded amenity kit, so if you know who manufactures this for them, please let me know in the comment section. So you do have a fact about Icelandic horses inside, so that is something you can bring up at a party maybe. So this amenity kit, you've got a toothbrush with toothpaste, you do have eye masks, socks, wake me up, do not disturb stickers, kind of interesting there. You've got a facial spray and some lip balm, as well as earplugs there. So that is the amenity kit currently being offered on Icelandair. This was as of December the 3rd. There you do have hand lotion as well. So just wanted to show you what you all could expect from the amenity kit from Icelandair. As always, I do appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.